Ciao everyone, I just got the Pyxis monitor from Blackmagic and for my Pyxis 12k kit. So let's do the unboxing and then I will do my rig update. So you open it and it feels like you get a DaVinci Resolve license, but it's not, it's just paper, some stickers, welcome card, okay, nothing, and this is the monitor. Okay, the first impression is smaller than I thought, which is a bit odd. Let's put this on the side. So this is the monitor. So the back, here is the USB, power and data, which is good. And there is a screw so you can lock it. No USB cable, which is disappointing, weird. 3 F buttons, which can be programmed and different from the ones that you have on the Pyxis. So in total you can have 6 different options set. And here there is a backlight which becomes red when you start recording. This is cool, like that. So the frame looks like aluminum, and this is plastic. Most likely is a similar plastic to the Blackmagic pocket cameras. That kind of, yeah. It's well built. 1/4 screw with the anti-lock. Okay, and here too. Very cool. What about on this side? No, on this side there are just the lights for the F buttons. Okay, very nice. And let's open it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Sorry, but I don't. Okay. There it is. Okay, the mechanism is pretty good. Now, without even using it, the screen is pretty small. Okay, let me, yeah, here, look. So this is the tool. It's a bit bigger than the tool. And this sunhood is pretty deep. So I wonder when you are on the camera if you can reach all the points and stuff, the locations. But this plastic, I thought it would be like a light aluminum or something, but it's plastic. So interesting. I have to test it on the Pyxis and see if it's big enough, because I'm pretty surprised how small it is. I thought 5 inches it would be a bit larger, but that was just my impression. Anyway, so this is the Pyxis monitor. I'll do some tests and see how it goes. So thank you, and I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.